Transform simple materials into a world of tiny treasures. Let's build a miniature masterpiece together. It all starts with a plan. Precision is key to creating furniture that looks perfectly real, just in miniature. Carefully cut each piece, turning your blueprint into a 3D puzzle waiting to be assembled. A strong frame is the foundation. Patience during assembly ensures your miniature is built to last. Sanding for a smooth finish and a base coat of primer prepare your piece for the final magical step. With a steady hand, add color and detail. This is where your miniature truly comes to life. Soft upholstery and tiny finishing touches add a layer of charm and realism you can feel. Step back and admire your handiwork. You've created a tiny world full of story and charm. Ready to craft your own tiny masterpieces? Visit Easy Craft Ideas by Elena for more inspiration.